Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nur Ziha binti Harun. My number matric is 820A1647. I will present about company background. Gardenia was originally created by an American named Horatio Size Locum. He was an employee of the International Executive Service Corps IESC sent to East Malaysia, and he has 35 years of experience in the bakery business with the largest chains of bakeries in America. Gardenia Bakery KL Sdn Bhd is a Malaysian baking company that is a joint venture of QAF Ltd, Gardenia Singapore and Philippines. The Gardenia plant is capable of production more than 700 million snack cake, bun, rolls, and wafer annually. Okay, next, vision and mission Gardenia Company. Gardenia's vision is to be a leading company in the bakery and food industry that provide high-quality products that are enjoyed, appreciated, loved, and known by consumers. The mission of Gardenia Company is to provide the best service and provide a wide range of high-quality bread and food products. It also wants to produce its products using world-class manufacturing facilities and processes. Okay, for the last part in company background is organization chart in Gardenia. First, Mr. Didi Davies, which is chairman. Second, Mr. Andrew Halim is vice chairman, while the managing director is Mr. Lin Kinjian. In addition, finance director is Mr. Tan Tat, and the executive director is Mr. Goh Kian.
Hi, my name is Siti Suhaila binti Marosili. My matric number A20A1996. Now, I want to present about company integrated supply framework. This topic divided to three divisions. They are supply network, integrated enterprise, and market distribution network. First, supply network. Gardenia Bakeries has a major supplier that is directly involved in supplying raw materials, namely padi, beras, nasional, berhad, bernas. Bernas has supplies a high quality flour to Gardenia Bakeries. Second, integrated enterprise. Integrated enterprise divided to three components, which is procurement of raw materials, manufacturing, and logistics. The procurement of raw materials is where Gardenia's company has strong business relationship and contract life with their suppliers, so this can prevent production operation from being disrupted by unwanted situations. Gardenia's company always sell fresh and high quality bread. They want their customer and can taste the best bread while satisfy their needs. They are also active in charitable work where they cooperate with corporate social responsibility in distributing bread for free to those in need, such as old people's homes and orphanage. Second components in integrated enterprise is manufacturing. Gardenia Bakeries has produced various types of bread prior to the COVID-19 pandemic. Gardenia Bakeries produced 840,000 bread a day but had increased to 2.2 million bread the recent period. So this show Gardenia Bakeries is able to produce bread according to the current situation. The third components is logistic. Logistic activities of Gardenia's company are involved from the supplier, inventory direction, customers flow information, and back to the supplier. These processes depend on each other to ensure that logistics activities run smoothly. Last component is customer relationship. Customers strongly trust the services offered by Gardenia Bakeries by producing high quality bread. The branding of Gardenia bread became a mention of many from the community as the main bread choices in their life. Gardenia Bakeries has a space to interact with customers such as on social media, Facebook and Instagram, who are active to find out their level of satisfaction. Last but not least, the last main division in integrated supply chain is market distribution network. Gardenia's Bakeries use land transport mode, which is the Gardenia truck, which serves to distribute bread to customers such as wholesalers and retailers. The distributors from Gardenia Company perform a timely or just-in-time service and when delivers goods to customers.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Laika binti Abdul Malik. My number matric A20A2097. Now we will continue to the next part, which is strategic supplier partnership. It involves the making proactive action to build long-term partnership. It also refers to the sharing of resources, between two or more companies to help involve in success. When get the strategic one, it can help and give chance to reduce expenses and increase company performance and production. Company actually need to get the right sources, so they need alert what they need to achieve their target. Then company can do any research for get the best information. It can continue with official agreement and also finish with the duration and signature. Gardenia Bakeries, Sandiam Berhad has been done doing the best partner. Actually, they have doing partnership with charitable organization and others. Gardenia Bakeries also has collaborate with any organization like support association and so on that can help recognize and deal with other companies. The strategic suppliers partnership should be highlighted for get more benefits. And move to the customer relationship part, which is important part that need in business. Company need to know about this because actually they can collect and analyze all the information they get from the customers. It's come from the feedback. Indeed, customers relationship have the reactive and proactive function that come from performance by customer service in the organization. Proactive functions is more to the measurement in many aspects because want to keep long-term relationships with the customers. For instance, it can deliver with the provide information and updates about the product or services. Where reactive function is related how will the company solve any problem that come from customers. They should be responsible to responding and give solution to the all comments. Gardenia Bakeries had provided breads which are the best quality, high nutrition, and the price is very affordable. Then they also focus what common need of customers to ensure all the offer can fulfill customers' demand. When they have the best feedback, it can make them having in the right track and also need to doing more innovation to get more profits. So that's all from me.
So next is information system. The information system that implemented in Gardenia Bakeries business is ARM and ARP. For ARM, electronic record management, Gardenia Bakeries has introducing paperless mobility solution. This is an automated digital process for delivery, invoicing, and also confirmation. This system running through an application that was installed in the Gardenia salesman smartphone, and this application also communicable with the retailer's device or computer system. Next, ERP, which is stand for Enterprise Resource Planning. During the MCO, due to the pandemic COVID-19, Gardenia bread was sold out everywhere across the nation. So Gardenia Bakeries were able to maximize their production up to 5% than before, and it was recorded Gardenia Bakeries produced almost 2.2 million loaves of fresh bread to cover the high demand of the breads. Next is utilization of 2PL, 3PL, and 4PL providers. Gardenia Bakeries is a 2PL providers. 2PL providers manage the transportation component of the supply chain and also in charge of transporting a company's item from A to point B. So Gardenia is credited with transforming bread market by becoming Malaysia's first bakery to direct distribute their own bread. So up until today, Gardenia delivers more than 200,000 freshly baked loaves and bun daily across Malaysia.
Hi, my name is Caroline Anadiao and my matric number is 8208215. Today I want to talk about competition with competitors. Cooperation with competitors is an act of cooperation between competitors companies and business involved in both competitions. Collaboration with competitors can create benefit to business. The owner of Gardenia Company, Horatio Saiz Locom, has been sent to Malaysia to start his business. He is a baker and pastry maker. In starting its business, Locom has received funding from International Executive Service Corporation, which is an economic development body in the United States. With the cooperation of Sabah Locals, Wong Zaifat, who is a successful businessman, became a partner of Slocum. Another Slocum acquaintance in attendance was Jim Humphreys. an expert in pastry cream making. As a result of this combination, Slocum has successfully produced a soft and tasty bread recipe that is the main advantage of the food products it produces. Postponement is referred to final manufacturing or processing activities. Gardenia is a bakery company. This company did not make any postponement because the products produced were not durable. The expiration date for its Gardenia bread is only for 5 days. In addition, VMI is a business model where product buyers provide information to product vendors, and vendors are fully responsible for maintaining material inventories. However, there are also vendors or suppliers who face problems in managing inventory that is beyond their control. For example, during the COVID-19 outbreaks, the Gardenia company spread on social media about public complaint stating Gardenia white bread was out of stock due to the factory. However, the Gardenia company said that their plant is still continuing its production operation and product distribution to our brands. Demand for Gardenia white bread at the time was increasing. Thus, Gardenia Company also announced that at the time the production of bread in the factory had reached the maximum level. As a result, the company is unable to increase the supply of products in the market. Performance measuring is the result of a numerical analysis that shows the extent to which an organization achieves its objective. In achieving its objective, the firm can control the level of its expenditure and investment. For example, in December last year, company Gardenia has raised the price of its products. This situation is due to a significant increase in production costs and materials that are out of control, such as rising raw materials price. These include flour, white flour, vegetable fats, cocoa powder, milk and packaging. Therefore, the price increase is the last step after all efforts are mobilized. This step is to maintain the company's performance to continue to grow.
Conclusion. Nowadays, Gardenia has become a market leader in bread productions in different countries, namely Malaysia, Singapore, and Philippines. Gardenia is already creating awareness over the mind to everyone. Gardenia also has an efficient distribution network across the country. Last but not least, Gardenia wants to achieve their missions and vision with integrity, excellence, innovation with their teamwork. That's all. Thank you.